Hi, I'm Roger with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to look at a 2019 3601 Aria by the Thor Corporation. Full body paint diesel pusher. Gorgeous rig. 36-foot floor plan. It's got the lots of basement storage. There's so much to go over with this rig. We're going to do a quick overview. This is nice push me pull me RV storage tray. Comes out either side. This one doesn't have the tray in, so if you have longer stuff, that's where you'd put the taller, longer stuff. Under here we've got our TV, our flat panel exterior TV. Up top we've got our electric awning. It's all push button with wind sensor. We've also got the frameless windows, dual pane. Great windows. Oh, just the storage just keeps going too. This is our water tank, 100 gallons. I like that you can get an actual visual of how much water you've got in it. That's what that slot's there for. Our chassis batteries. I like that chassis disconnect. That way you don't accidentally drain your batteries down while it's storing. Here we've got our solar charging controller. Lets us know that right now our solar panels are putting out 13 volts, keeping those batteries charged up. This is going to have the Cummins 360 ISB engine. .50 amp shore cord with 4 6-volt house batteries. All of our stuff that we don't really get into very often is back here in the back. This is our DEF tank, diesel exhaust fluid. This is something that's going to help our vehicle not smell like, well, like the old diesel engines of old. Here's our plumbing station. This has got the whole house water filter. I just put one of these in my rig. Love those water filters. They really do help keep your water tasting better and smelling better and not getting little particle chunks clogging up your aerators. This is the other side of one of those storage trays. And this is the other side of that push me pull me storage tray. Up here we've got our propane tank. That is a big propane tank. Fill that up twice a year probably. Love that size. One of the questions I always get is, when the passenger's sitting here, does this hole right here fill in? Yes, this piece here is going to come up and fill in this whole hole, and I'm 250 pounds and I jump up and down on it. It's very sturdy. Let's go inside. This is on a Freightliner chassis with the Freightliner steering wheel. Down here, it kind of looks like I don't know if you can see down there, but this is how you release the steering wheel. And it tilts and telescopes. So it's not like the old style on the steering wheel. You got to remember that little lever down there. Backup camera, side cameras. You can lower and level this coach with air, or you can use the hydraulic leveling. Back here in our galley, living room, pantry, kitchen area, we've got solid surface countertops. Love this pull up. Got 3 outlets right there. You've got your induction cooktop. Okay, you've got your convection microwave here, and the new refrigerator. Nice big automatic ice maker built in. Real wood cabinetry throughout the coach. Okay. Pretty much every place. 16,000 BTU fireplace. This is an electric heat. It's going to generate enough heat to keep this house comfortable and warm. Okay. Big TV with a JBL soundbar system. It's going to make the TV sound great. We've got our Dream Dinette over here. This pushes down to make a really decent sized bed. Up here we've got our drop down full size bed. Okay. Over here we got our sofa. You guessed it, it makes into a bed. So 1, 2, 3 beds in the front half of the coach. In the back we've got our king size bed. Okay, and this is tilt-a-view bed. The head of the bed comes up, makes it easy to read, watch TV, relax. If you're one of those people who like to sleep a little elevated, you can stop it at any point. It does that so that we can have two big slides back here, still have a king size bed, still be able to close the slides. That's a quick overview of the 2019 3601 Aria. I'm Roger. If you have any more questions about this rig, and I sure hope you do, because this was a quick overview, I'm Roger. Beautiful Junction City, Oregon with Guarantee RV. Thank you.